if I decided to tell you the reality, present and past is in our hands. Hello friends, my name is Rutuja Chaudhary and I am so glad to tell you about every bird has a right of thriving. In ancient times, bird had killed in the womb, but nowadays everyone says that every girl child has a right of birth. But do we say they're independent? The girl child birth is increasing. Girls are grown up by us. We give respect to her. But why we don't say her independent? Because she has the right of birth. She wants to complete her dream. She wants to make her life full of enjoyment. She wants to make her life enjoying. But what went wrong? What went wrong? And what was important? Where the answer of such questions are given. Obviously, the answer of such questions are given in social media, social sites, newspaper, news channels and many more. That tells us 3-year-old girl is being raped by her brother. The 8-year-old girl went for playing and few days later her dead body found in the river. Here went wrong. In our mentality, this went wrong. We have to change the mentality of such a peoples. Question is very difficult. Many people try to find answer of such questions, but they fail because such people try to find answer of such questions from only the girls, rather her parents and government. To find something in our own character, to verify our own mentality, this try never done by anyone. I think in this case we too went wrong. When we were asking the girl, where was you? Then we never asked such questions to the boys. When we ask girl, have you done chores with your friends? Then we never ask boy that what was you doing there? Here went wrong. Why we all blame only girls about their dressing? It's boy's fault. If his sister wears short dressing, then what will he do? So it is very wrong to blame only girls about their dressing. There is no meaning by talking. We must do something for that. India is a developing country and its economical status is very bad because of male-dominated country. Males are the means of half power of our country and the remaining half power of our country are females. But males don't know this thing. There is a social, cultural and family pressure on the females which acts as a main issue for gender equality. Gender equality is the first step of the women empowerment in our India. Some people think that women are weak, they cannot do anything as we do. But there is a need to change the mentality of such a peoples. In our Indian society, a girl considered as a curse of family. But if we think from our own mind, then we realize that how can girl be a curse of family? Its answer is very clear and full of fact. That is, without girl, no boy can take birth on the earth. No boy can take birth on the whole earth. Then why the people do lots of violence against the women and the girls before taking birth? It is very clear that girls are the blessings of their family. It's very true that girls are the pillars of family. Our Prime Minister begging us to save the life of the girl child. Girls are the better performers than boys. If you want proof, then you can check the annual progress card of both and you can compare it. Then you will realize that the girls are the better performers than boys. People want educated daughter-in-law but don't want a daughter. A small girl child can be a good sister, good friend, a good daughter, good grandmother, good wife in future. The girl is the one who plays a very important role in our lives. She is our mother, our daughter, our sister, our grandmother. But before daughter, sister, grandmother, friend, she is a girl. And if you are saving a girl, then you are saving your world. She is not our demand, but she is our need. This is the world of Homo sapiens. It's just because of her. She is the cause of life. Only because of her, we are living in the world. She is flying high day by day. Nowadays, women are working in various fields by meeting shoulder to shoulder by the men. She has done all the works which appears to be impossible for human. Girls are not weak, but this is our society which is trying to show her weak. Then I must turn to our main topic. Everyone loves flower. Am I right, guys? Obviously, everyone loves flower. It gives beauty to our environment and nature. It plays many important roles in the human being to make her life more cheerful and happy. Just like girls, if we feel proud about girls, if we give respect to her, then they can produce next generation very well. Thanks for listening me carefully. I hope you realized what I had told.